Hello everyone, every tip I'm about to share comes directly from mechanics working here in the shop, so there's no need to worry. When your Honda shows the message "System Update is not available," what's happening is that the system tried to check for an update but couldn't find one or wasn't able to download it at that moment. It's similar to when your phone checks for updates and tells you there's nothing new or that it couldn't connect. Many people get concerned thinking something is wrong, but in most cases, the vehicle simply didn't find anything to install. This is directly related to something that confuses many drivers. The system automatically checks for updates even when none exist. Because of this, the message can appear even when everything is working perfectly. Several owners reported that the message disappeared on its own after a few days, once the system tried connecting again or when a new update was released. But sometimes the issue isn't the lack of an update, it's that the system got stuck after a failed attempt. This can happen if the vehicle lost Wi-Fi signal during the download or if the system restarted in the middle of the process. In those cases, the software may remain in a confused state and continue showing the message even though the attempt already ended. Many shop mechanics fix this simply by restarting the system or turning the vehicle off completely and turning it back on after a few minutes. This is where another important factor comes in: the internet connection. If the Wi-Fi signal is weak, unstable, or disconnects, the system can't properly communicate with Honda's servers. Some mechanics noticed that connecting the vehicle to a stronger Wi-Fi network or simply driving for a while and letting the system stabilize made the message disappear. It's just like when your phone needs a better signal to complete a download. There are also cases where the battery or electrical system plays a role. When voltage is low or the vehicle recently had a drained or disconnected battery, some modules may display incorrect messages until everything stabilizes. After driving normally for a while, or once the battery regains a stable charge, the system usually returns to normal on its own.